guess I can clean these wheels a little bit and add the... Oh, maybe not. Maybe. I'll have to add them on the outside. Thought it would maybe go on the inside, but maybe not. We shall see. It definitely won't go on the inside. I mean, I guess I could cut them. I don't have any scissors though. Yes, I do. Should I cut them or should I just put them on the outside wheel? I should definitely probably just cut them, for sure. Alright, I'm gonna have to go get my scissors. Oh, my face is so dirty. Got a mustache. I'll be back. Okay, so I have my wheels here now. And I got my scissors. So I'm gonna cut these down to an appropriate size. I don't know what the appropriate size is because it doesn't fit on here like I thought it would. Oh well. It's gonna have like a hexagon shape, I guess. I don't know if I like that. But I guess I don't know that I hate it. I need to stop touching my face too. I don't know. Is it cool? It's supposed to be shiny, shiny. I don't know about that. We'll see, I guess. I guess these weren't really made for scooter wheels. They were more made for car wheels. But they're for scooter wheels now. I'm gonna use the rest of these. Okay, now we're going to cover the seat cover. Wait. This canvas fabric here, which I think is lovely. So I probably want to get it so that the screws go in if I can. I don't know if I can, but we'll see. Just want it to cover the seat. Be nice. I think if I have some left over for the handlebars, I won't put the handlebars too, but we'll see. Oh yeah, I should have more than enough. So pretty. That way. Where did my scissors go? Uh-oh, scissors. No. Problem. That's just a problem. That's just supposed to adhesivize. So hopefully it adhesivizes properly. And that wasn't a word, but now it is a word. Hope it sticks properly. Hopefully it will. Maybe I should just like glue it a little bit. Just to make sure it stays on. Okay. Let's see now. This is going to be very interesting. The one I'm doing in my lap. That's very sticky. So. Oh no. Oh no, it's very sticky. Holy schmoly. Now, this is something that needs to be done on a flat surface. Which I don't quite have right now. But let's improvise. Holy moly. I don't know people use this. It is so precious. It's so very precious. Like, I have to be super delicate with it. Otherwise it's just gonna, oh my gosh. It's just gonna fold up on itself. Sweetness. I feel like I'll just stick my whole arm on here. Yeah, there we go. That works, right? This part is folding up. This part is folding up. Please don't fold up. Okay. Okay, I need it. Oh my god. I need to get my seat on here real quick because this is gonna turn into a disaster pretty quickly. Oh gosh, it's already turning into a disaster. Oh no. I don't know how to do this properly, guys. Okay. I need to figure out a way to do this properly. This is not working in my favor right now. How do people do this? What the heck? What the actual heck? I can't even begin to know how to do this. I don't I'm just gonna cover this part up and we're gonna use that for the handlebars. Because I don't know, guys. How do I do this? How am I gonna do this? I guess this is I'm not like out of the boot right now because it needs some air. Let's take this and this and this. Let's go try and figure something out. Okay, so I'm going to use fabric that I used on the seat for the handlebars as well. We'll see how that goes because it didn't go too well the last time. Let us see. I can show you the world. I'm sparkling, shimmering, something. That should go in nicely. Let's just put another piece. This is going to be the most eclectic. Oh, hi, Manu. This cat wants to be famous, just so y'all know. She is literally in, like, every video, she jumps up. She needs your views, guys. All right, Manu. Okay. Now, I'm gonna wrap this around the bars. Hopefully in a way that doesn't cause me to lose my mind like I did with the seat. Wait, yes. Oh, my God. I'm already losing my mind. Cause I'm losing my mind. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. Losing my sight, losing my mind. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. Nothing is fine. Nothing is alright. I'm falling. This stuff, man, I swear, just always goes up on itself. It's so nice, but also not nice at the same. Oh no, I ruined it. Well, maybe not. That is just the end of it anyway. Okay. We're doing it. We're doing it. It's happening. Come on, jabroni fabric. What the heck? What the actual heck? Haha. Now I just need to fold it in. So I'm going to cut. Yes, yes, yes. Good, good. This is gonna make it much more comfortable for my little hands. Okay. Great success. There's one. Now I just gotta do the other one. She's gonna be something. I'll just say that much. She's gonna be something. Because it's probably gonna look like a 2-year-old design. I mean, come on, we've got glitter stars. Like, what more can you ask for? Not glitter stars, sorry, glow stars. Well, that one, that side didn't turn out as good as the other side. I don't know why. This side's all covered. This side's not. It doesn't matter because we've got these. I told you, I'm a child. That's gonna be the most damn childish scooter you've ever seen. And kids already, like, look at this scooter, like, oh my gosh, I want to ride it. Oh my gosh, yes. Get in there. Guys, I am so happy right now. Look at it. Yay! This scooter is designed for a child. There you go. I hope that somewhere along my journey in life, after I don't need the scooter, that there is a child that suddenly needs a scooter, because boy, have I got the scooter for you, little child. I need this to work a little better. The other one was so easy, but that's because there wasn't as much fabric in the way. This one, the fabric actually overlapped well enough. Oh god, it's bending. It's bending it. No, I need to cut the fabric shorter. I need a hole in the middle like there was on the other side. I need a Is it too late? Come home. Come on. Man, the other one was so easy. Aha. Oh my god. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Look at it. Yes. Yes. I am a child. But look at that. Yes. I love it. I love it. Oh my lord. Sir, you don't even know, okay? Yeah. Okay, so the pieces are dry. The bottom ones did not turn out as good, or not the bottom, but the main core part of it did not turn out as good as the other one because I couldn't get off all of the paint of that weird rubber paint. So now it's just time to put it together. Already I'm noticing that some of the stars aren't sticking as well, so that will probably be a future issue, but I got some extra stars, so I'm gonna start with the wheels because I know where they go, and that's gonna be the, well, I was like, that's gonna be the easiest part, and then immediately the washer fell. I'm gonna start with the wheels, and I will put it down so you can see. I have the seat and the, dang it, this washer. The seat and the handlebars inside. So I was doing work on those. Alright, I need my bigger hex. Actually, I think it might be the bigger. Yep, it is. Okay. This was a fun project. It, what the heck? Did I use the star for these ones? Maybe I used the star. It, took a lot more time than I thought. I thought I was gonna be able to knock out the majority of it on Monday. That did not end up happening. So now, just putting everything back together. Hopefully I remember where things go. If not, then I can always refer to my pictures or the video. Put the wheels on first is probably a good idea. as I at least for sure 100% guarantee know where those go. Yeah, overall, I'm not mad about how it turned out, but being a perfectionist type, I'm not happy. I just wish that I had the proper tools to get all of that rubber stuff. I don't even know what would have gotten that off. I had turpentine and varnish remover and a sander and everything, so I have no idea what would have gotten that stuff off, to be frankly honest. Okay, there's the first part. And now we just need the second part. And then these two go together, I think, with the long pin I have over there. Miss Harley is out in the yard enjoying herself. I usually don't like to leave her out there unattended, but she hasn't given me a reason not to trust her yet, so we're gonna give her a chance. Ooh, this one's gonna be a difficult boy. I'm sure this was the one that I couldn't get off the first time. Quite certain about that. The wheels on the scoots go round and round. Never mind, I tightened it too hard so they don't go round anymore. Where is that? No. Oh my gosh, you know what? That's why. Ah! The washer fell off, I didn't notice. I was like, what the heck? Why is this not turning? Washers are spacers that keep movement on your mechanical assemblies. Don't forget your washer. Washer. Back on you go. Last night I absolutely passed out because I was so tired. I've been trying to get this thing finished so I can get it back together for a few days now. The crutches are killing my arms. Killing my arms. I know I said I would have the rest of this be for next week's live stream, but I need my scoots back, so that is not happening now. We're putting this guy back together right now. Oof. Then we gotta put the two halves together. I'm pretty sure. Oh, you know what? Actually, there's two mechanical clippies. Goes on this side. Yeah, it goes like that. Now I just need to get the clippies for it. Oh shit. All the things over here. All of the things. Okay. This might be where I have to refer to. See, this I'm pretty sure is there with the seat. I'm not wrong. I'm gonna refer to my photos for a second, and once I get everything together, I'll be back to put it together. I have the seat cover here. Look, I put this nice fabric on it. It looks beautiful. So we're gonna put the seat in. I can't remember how tall I had this. And one of the stars is coming off. Poor Mr. Star. He did not want to go that far. No. Maybe the stars aren't going to stay on. Actually, probably the smart thing to do is to stand up and put my knee on it and see where it's at. Alright. I'm standing by the scooter. My knee will be right about there. I feel like that's much higher than I originally had it. But maybe I was also just, I don't know. So not there because that's too high. We'll do the next hole there. And another star came off. I am so sad. I need the stars to not keep coming off. I need to be on the screen. There we go. There we go. Alright. That goes good. I just need this part to go on. And keeps the seat steady. I can tighten it a little more maybe. Seats on. I just gotta go get the handlebars. Man, my hair looks so weird today. I pretty much have this thing together, other than I gotta go get the handlebars. However, I have zero idea where these things go. And then I thought really smartly and said, watch my stream on Switch. And I found this. Now I know. Now I know 4 of them go underneath the wheels. Still gotta figure out where this guy goes. I'm gonna put these on the wheels, I guess. So it's been interesting, definitely. I should have taken much more detailed photos. I took kind of really quick photos and thought that would be good enough. A lot of them ended up being blurry. Oh my, why don't I let this go on? I also couldn't figure out where this little part of the brake went. And then that was also a part in the video. So, thank goodness for my Twitch stream. Because without that, I would not know where anything went. When this brake thing went, there was a hole underneath, by the way. But yeah, I will do this better next time if there is a next time. I don't think there is a next time. I hope not. Maybe I should just keep the scooter in case there is a next time. Seeing as I'm trying to foray into stunt work and all. Okay. I'm gonna go get the handlebars and put those pieces on, as well as I got this cute little bell. Look at that. Isn't that the cutest? And then the back opens up. Haha. I think that's really cute. But, yeah. Oh. Oh. Ah, I see. Yeah. I thought it went with the seat a little bit. That's why I got it. The body of the scooter is all child, but we're classy. We're classy on the seat and on the bell. I'm gonna go get the handlebars. Got the handlebars, gonna put the handlebars on the scooter. I'm all dirty again. Okay. This is another I've got to test it kind of thing, because I don't remember my height. I mean, I remember my own height, but you know what I mean by that. Ooh. I think you just stay like that. I think you can just stay at this height, because yeah, that feels right. That feels better. Maybe I should put it one down. It feels good though. We'll put it one down. We'll try and see what's cool. It'll be cooler. It'll be cooler than we were yesterday. Heck yeah. Get my little, get my little belly bell on there. Ooh. Yeah. Get my bell on there and the brakes. And I need to figure out where this guy goes. Idea. Maybe it's just for once. Okay. How do you handle it? My ring light is just being ridiculous. This, what size does this guy use? This size, okay. All the things we need. I just need to get up there. Ooh. Move this up so you can see. I can bring it over a little bit. Whee! Bell is gonna go down here for right now. That way. Actually, I should maybe paint this piece black before I put it on, because brakes for some reason are not sticking like they did. Oh no. Whoops, I think I broke the brakes. Okay, the cool thing about breaking the brakes is I actually figured out where this goes. It goes on the brakes. So I just have to wait for the black piece for the brake on the bar to dry. And then we'll put that on and we'll go from there. Now I know where this goes. I guess I'll just tighten the rest of these up. I am just waiting for that little part there to dry. And this is currently what she looks like. I think it looks like a scooter that belongs to someone who's very confused about their age. So, very much my scooter. Yeah. I also have some light strips for it, but I'm gonna need to figure out how to add those on. But that is it. That is Lay Scoots. Got a little beetle bug up here. And the reflectors, glow stars. I should be safe at night. That was all. Thanks for joining me.